welcome to The Dish, where I share 2-minute tips to help you cook better food in your kitchen. So today I want to talk to you guys about eggs. Specifically, I want to talk about scrambled eggs and omelets because I think that's how a lot of us start our days, are with scrambled eggs and omelets. And as I was starting my business, I used to have a lot of conversations with friends around scrambled eggs, and they would tell me compliments for my scrambled eggs, and they really, really loved them. Like, what makes them different? And it's really simple. The thing that makes scrambled eggs perfectly fluffy, delicious, and light is by cooking them low and slow. So instead of turning the heat up really high when you're cooking your eggs, you want to keep the heat really low if you're trying to scramble your eggs and get a nice fluffy texture to them. So when you're frying an egg, that's when you can turn the heat up because you really do want the egg to cook quickly. But with scrambled eggs, you're trying to incorporate a lot of air. So the first thing you need to do is whip those eggs up and get a lot of air inside of the egg. So make sure you don't skip the step of actually scrambling and whipping air into it using a fork or a whisk to get some nice air in there. Then you can also use things like milk or cream or even just a little bit of water in order to help add more richness and lightness to the texture of the egg. And then turn the heat down to low and put your eggs into a pan. Best to use a non-stick pan so you don't have to worry about those proteins latching onto the inside of your pan, and then slowly cook the eggs, folding them, scrambling them in the pan using a rubber spatula or silicone spatula. And make sure that you take your time. Just keep a watchful eye on your eggs, and at the end you'll have delicious, light, fluffy eggs that are absolutely out of this world. And make sure that you season your eggs after the process, because if you season them while you're still scrambling them, like in the bowl, you'll end up with runnier eggs. So salting them after will make sure that you don't have runny eggs. And that's it for this time. I can't wait to see you next time in The Dish. Have a great day. Bye.